Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paycheck investing with Acorns Early, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your Acorns account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section located at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option labeled Acorns Early and select it. Here, you'll see information regarding the features of Acorns Early. Tap on Activate Acorns Early to begin the setup. You will be prompted to enter the necessary information about your child. Fill out the required fields, including your child's name and date of birth. Next, choose the amount you would like to invest from each paycheck. Select the frequency of your contributions, such as weekly or bi-weekly. Review the investment options available under Acorns Early. Pick a portfolio that matches your investment goals and risk tolerance. After making your selection, confirm your choices by tapping Continue. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your bank account. Once linked, set up the direct deposit by providing your employer's information. Verify the details you've entered for accuracy. After checking your information, tap on Submit to finalize the activation. Your Paycheck investing with Acorns Early is now active. You'll receive a confirmation email detailing your account setup. Monitor your investments through the Acorns app regularly. That's it. You are now on your way to investing in your child's future with Acorns Early. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.